Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I'm so excited for this one. When I was looking at Halloween stuff on Amazon and I saw these, I thought they'd be so cute. I also thought they would be a lot bigger. But I'm going to crack into these little skeleton molds now. I don't know if I'm going to do earrings. I don't know yet. I might do one set of earrings, but I also want to do some keychains. I think keychains would look really cute. And we're going to do these in UV resin. Oh, I forgot to grab. And I'm going to try it with the glow powder again. So, let's see. I think I want that. And I definitely want to try the blue. I don't know if blue is going to be too dark for the light to go through, though. Ooh, wait, actually, no. So I'm going to do the sky and the teal. That's what I want to do. Yes. I want to try some different stuff. I've already done a ton of the pear and the orange and the other one. So that's what we're going to try. The sky and the teal. We're going to mix that into our Total Boat UV resin, and we're going to give it a shot. I do have this kit, which has some keychain thingamabobbers in it. It also has jump rings, but I think, let me pull them out, but I think that these jump rings are probably going to be too big. Yeah, they look a little too thick. So, I'm either going to have to make my own jump rings, which is super easy. If I do have to do that, I will come back and show you how to do that in case you don't know how to do that. So I'm either going to do that, or I'm going to see if I can find, I know that I've got a ton of jump rings around this place, but if I cannot find any, I will come back and show you guys how to make jump rings. So give me a second and let's see. Okay, I could not find smaller jump rings, only bigger ones. So, but I did find this wire. I am not sure where it's from. No clue. But I've also got this wire. So this is 20 gauge wire. And I'm thinking this and this might be relatively the same. It looks like it's the same. Yeah, same thickness. I don't know what this wire is from. Probably from one of the kits. I don't know. Maybe the wind chime kit. I'm not sure. But in case you've never had to make jump rings before, this is super simple. You're going to get a paintbrush of some type, the size of the jump rings that you want. So this would be like big jump rings compared to this, right? So let me see what I have in here for sizes. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. So you're going to take your wire and you're going to wrap it around your paintbrush or chopstick or whatever. You're going to make a whole bunch of different loops, or however many loops you need, really. Okay. You're going to slide that off. And then you're going to need some snippers, which mine are right here. I'm going to cut that off. And then I like to tighten these up as much as possible so that they are like almost like a spring. I don't know how well you guys are seeing this. Okay. Then I'm going to find the end. And I'm going to do this. And that just marks it. And then we can go through and start snipping. I'll try and show it to you. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand and keep an eye on what the camera's seeing. Okay, where did that go? I don't know. But anyway, and so now, let me put this down. You have jump rings that are the size that you need for your project. Super simple, really quick and easy. If you're bored one day, you can just sit here and just do this all day. And just make a whole bunch, you know. The wire is relatively cheap. This doesn't say how much I paid for it, but it was probably like $6 or something. It was probably really cheap. Okay. And there we go. All right. So, the next step, off camera, I'm going to cut more of these, obviously. There you go. The next step is going to be mixing up the UV resin with the glow-in-the-dark powders. And then we'll do the camera angle, like the secondary angle, so you guys can watch me put it into these little molds. I guess I should have shown you the molds. I got ahead of myself. Sorry, guys. I'm just so excited. So, they're itty bitty. Like I said, I thought these were bigger than they are, but they're little skeleton molds, and they come with all the little skeleton parts. So, yeah. We're going to fill these up. We're going to cure them in the Let's Resin machine, the dual-sided machine. And then we're going to put them together and see how they look. You ready? Me too. Let's go. Alright friends, these are cured. I put them in there for 3 minutes under the light. I did run some tests, okay? Let me show you this real quick. So, you saw me spraying alcohol into the molds, and I was worried that that would cause the resin to not cure. I don't think I had ever done that before with UV resin. So, I did a couple of tests. So, on this one, I sprayed the alcohol, and on this one, I didn't. And you're not going to be able to see it, but please believe me, this one has a little hole, a little bubble, in the nasal bone. So, and it's also got some tiny little micro bubbles around the edges as well. So, it cures perfectly fine. My finger's just a little bit sticky. It cures perfectly fine and normal, and it doesn't have any bubbles. So that's why I decided to continue to just spray them with alcohol. So let's get these out. And I will say happily, I was very, very worried that you wouldn't be able to see. This goes that way. Yes, okay. That there wouldn't be a difference in the color, right? But there was. I was very, very happy to see that there was indeed a difference in color. So this goes like that, I think. I don't know how skeletons go. Okay, so we got hip bones. And the rib cage. And then the skull. Okay, and then that, yes, yes, yes. This is that one. And then this one should be this one. Yes, okay. I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I think I know how it goes together. They're so tiny. These things are so freaking tiny. I mainly wanted to make a set of keychains, but then I was thinking about my housemate's youngest daughter. I have these switched. And she likes, you know, the macabre kind of stuff. She's got like the goth thing going on right now. So I figured she might like these for Halloween. Is that? Yes. Okay. So, I'm going to pull this up for you. That's all of the skeletal pieces. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this together. And the other two together. So, I'm wondering if I should make like one teal and one sky blue. Like make the set different. I'm going to put them together. And then we're going to come back and see them under the black light. And hopefully this will take a little while because I just realized that my battery's about to die on my camera and I need to charge it. So I will be right back. For me, it'll probably be half an hour. For you guys, it'll probably be 2 seconds. Let's see. Count them down. 3, 2. All right, friends. I started us off in the dark. I hope that's okay. They look so freaking good. So good. So I did the earrings. One of each color. And then these are keychains. So let's turn on our regular lights so you can see them. I just... After I made each one, I stuck them into this, which was sitting up in a cup. So that way they would, you know, I'd have somewhere to put them. But, yeah, they turned out so good. So freaking good. Oh, no, that's backwards. Let me spin you around, buddy. Okay. So freaking good. I'm so happy with how they look. I'm so excited. I hope that the girlies like them. Hope that you guys like them too. If you do, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you Have a fantastic day. Take care.